student of class 9. Now we study in mathematics class. Now in first chapter we study the operation of the real number. Operation of the real number. Operation means addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. These four things are known as the operation of the real number. Real number means rational number and irrational number. Rational and irrational number, they are addition, they are multiplication, they are division and they are subtraction. How can we do here? Now in the irrational number of the example, suppose 7 root 5, 1 by root 5, root 2 plus 1, pi minus 2. These all are the irrational number. How we can figure the irrational? You mark 5 is the rational, then added root 3. Root 3 is the irrational and 5 is the rational. So sum of the rational and irrational become the online term. So it becomes the irrational. Suppose root 5 is the which number? Irrational. 7 is the rational. Their difference be the irrational. Suppose here 2 is the rational, multiplied with the root 2. So 2 is the rational, root 2 is the irrational. So product is the 2 root 2 become the irrational. Like that 5 is the rational by root 3. Root 3 is the irrational. So this 5 by root 3 is an irrational number. So here we know the sum or difference or product or division of the rational and irrational must be an irrational. Okay? Sum of the rational and irrational or difference of the rational and irrational or product of the rational and irrational and division of the rational and irrational must be irrational. But sum or difference or product or division of the two irrational number may be rational, may be irrational. Like that, suppose here 2 plus root 3 is the irrational number, 2 minus root 3 also irrational number. When we can be added these? Now here you look at minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel, 2 to 4 become the rational. And it you can be subtract root 3 minus 2 minus root 3. You can subtract here 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. This one root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. It becomes the irrational. So sum or difference or product or division of the two irrational number may be rational, may be irrational. Okay? Now more example here. Suppose one example given 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Here root 2 minus 3 root 3 we can be add here. Here adding this two term. Now we can be open bracket 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. Then like term we can be here 2 root 2 plus root 2 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Here root 2 common and 2 plus 1 root 2 is the common. Here root 3 common, 5 minus 3 root 3 is the common. So 2 plus 1 3 root 2, 5 minus 3 2 root 3. Okay? And here one multiplication 6 root 5, here multiplication 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. So 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. Now here multiply 6 into 2 into root 5 into root 5. 6 to the 12 and root 5 into root 5, 5. It becomes the 60. Okay? Then one division cases here 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. This means 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. This I can write 2 into root 3 into root 5 by 2 root 3. Root 3 cancel. 2 4 ja 8. So it becomes the 4 root 5. Okay. Now another things, here we take suppose x square equal to 5. Then find x equal to square root 5. This type number where can we mention the root number on the number line. For example, here given one example, locate the root 3.5 on the number line. Locate 3.5 root on the number line. What can do here first? First in your scale you take a line with the help of your compass. Got 3.5 by the rounder. 3.5 AB. This becomes the 3.5 cm. Then you take 1 cm from B and cut the C. Okay? Cut C 1 cm. Now bisect AC. If we bisect AC with the help of our compass, the point we get the M. Now distance of the M to A and M to C are equal. So AM equal to CM. Both distances are equal. Now we take the M as center and AM as radius. Draw a semicircle. We draw a semicircle. Okay. Then at the point of B, we draw perpendicular, means 90 degree. Where this perpendicular intersect this semicircle, that point is given the D. That point is given the D. Now BD is the 3.5 root. How it can be 3.5 root? Now we can prove it. Now you join BM. Here, what is the value of AC? AC equal to AB plus BC. So AC equal to AB the 3.5 plus 1 equal to 4.5. So here AM equal to CM equal to DM equal to AC by 2. AC by 2 means 4.5 by 2. Okay. Then now we find the BM. BM equal to CM minus BC. CM is the 4.5 by 2 minus BC is the 1 equal to, take the LCM, 4.5 minus 2 equal to 2.5 by 2. BM is the 2.5 by 2. Now in triangle BDM, angle B the 90 degree means right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, BD is the perpendicular. By the Pythagoras theorem, we find the BD equal to DM square minus BM square root. Here AM equal to CM equal to DM due to AM, BA, CM are the radius, DM also radius. Okay. Then DM value what is? DM equal to 4.5 by 2 square minus BM value 2.5 by 2 square. Then 45 into 45 square, 5 5 are 25, 2, 5 4 are 20, 22, 5 4 are 20, 4 4 are 16, 1, 17, 5, 2, 4 5 are 20, 2 4 16, 17, 18, 0, 2025 means here 20.25 by 4 minus 6.25 by 4. They are square root. Now take the LCM. 4, 20.25 minus 6.25. This become 20 minus 6, 14/4 equal to 2, 7 equal to 7/2 root equal to 3.5 root. Okay. So BD is the 3.5 root. Now put the needles of your compass at point B and pencil D and draw another arc where the point cut. This N is your root 3.5. Okay. Now another example here. Suppose here AB root. This means root A into root B. Suppose 2/3 total root. This means root 2/3. So this type. Another example here. Here given root A plus root B into root A minus root B. Now here define the identity A plus B into A minus B. So root A square minus root B square equal to A minus B. Then this type another A plus root B and A minus root B. This also same identity, A square minus root B square. This means A square minus B. And another example, suppose root A plus root B into root C plus root D. Now we multiply root A into root C, root 8C plus root A into root D, root AD, again plus root B into root C, root BC plus root BD. Here nothing any like term, so the answer is this. Now this type, suppose here asked here another example. Find root A plus root B whole square. This means A plus B whole square, root A square plus 2 AB plus root B square. This answer is A plus 2 root AB plus B. This type numerical program, suppose here given 5 plus root 7 and 2 plus root 5. Here multiply here given. Then how can multiply? 5 with 2, 5 to the 10 plus 5 into root 5, 5 root 5 plus root 7 into 2, 2 root 7 plus root 7 into root 5, root 35. Okay. Then another example, 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. Then here identity A square plus B square. So 5 square and root 5 square. 25 minus 5 equal to 20. This type number. Okay. Then now we rationalize the denominator. Now we can study another topic, rationalize the denominator. Means denominator we can convert into the rational number. Rationalization of the denominator means if the denominator have the irrational number, that irrational number must be taken to rational number. Suppose here 1/root 5. The denominator root 5 is the irrational number. So how we can come to this? Here root 5 and root 5 we can multiply with the both numerator and denominator. So root 5 by root 5 means 1. Nothing I can be changed. So here multiplied here. Root 5 1 is root 5 and root 5 into root 5 5. So now denominator become the rational number. Okay. So this type another example, suppose here given 1/2 plus root 3 is the irrational number. So this denominator is the irrational. How we can take the rational? If here the positive, then we can multiply in numerator and denominator by the 2 minus root 3. Here 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Here multiply 2 minus root 3 and here the identity A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. 2 square minus root 3 square. So 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3 equal to 2 minus root 3 by 1. 1 is not necessary. So our number denominator become the 1 and 1 be the rational number. Then another this type, your exercise complete. Exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5 is over. You can do exercise.